Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Hobby Lobby haul to share with you all. I went to Hobby Lobby Saturday over the weekend, and I didn't get to haul it because I was trying to spend time with the family. So let's get into this. So the first aisle in my store that I went to was the wedding aisle, and I found these. These are those droplets that everybody's using on projects. It was $4.49, yes, but I used my 40% coupon on this one. And I've also seen a video where somebody, I wish I could remember the name, but they took these little eye drops, dewdrops. These are called Christie mini discs, and they colored it with their ink or alcohol ink or something. And I don't have any alcohol ink, so I'm just going to stick with these as clear and probably, you know, share with some friends in Happy Mail, because this big bad boy is 12 ounces. So I think this was worth the $5 in the wedding aisle because you could color it. Also down that side of the store, they had some trim that was on clearance. This was 99 cents. And these are iridescent pineapples, guys. I think this would be so fun in a big chunky tassel. Let me see if I can find the end. There we go. Look at this trim. I love how reflective the color is. So whatever colors are around you, you know, it kind of picks up on that holographic coloring and it changes the color of it. But it's pineapples. I love it. I love it. So I got 2 of those because those were the last 2 in the in that section. I picked up some thread. I didn't pick up any gold because I wasn't going to pay that dollar. Not dollar, but the amount that they're asking. So this one has the white and it has the holographic or iridescent or whatever you want to call it, but it's so pretty. And I just wish the color on the camera would reflect it better. But anyway, that's what I got. That's what I got. Okay, I got 2 of those, and they were half off. These were 50% off that day, which was Saturday. Okay. What else did I get? This one, I got a pack of Vellum, and this was the Paper Studio brand. They were also half off for Paper Studio, so half of $3.99, that's what I paid. In the party section, the Bright Ideas, this is what Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventure, she hauled this. And her bag was so much bigger. So I got this one. This was 5.29 ounces. And this was $2.99. Yeah, I paid full price for this one. But that's okay. I don't mind. This clearance. This was on clearance. And okay guys, this is the Easter clearance. And I only picked up one, because this will go a long way for cotton candy and stuff like that, the embellishments. So I think I paid 30 cents. Yep, I sure did. 30 cents right there for this bag of fluff. And then the Treehouse Studio, I think that was also on half off. Nope, that was full price. That was full price, but who cares? I got some because I'm low on my stars. There's not much of those left. This is another Treehouse Studio. This was $4.99. And yeah, that was full price also. $4.99. Okay, so in the jewelry for my charms and stuff, I figured I'd pick up some of the bigger gauge. This is the jewelry shop, and they had 50 off also for the jewelry shop. So this one is $2.99, but I got it for $149. So these are the same price. So they were both $149 each. Half off of all those. And then we just got some sequins. So all the sequins I got were all the 49-cent sequins. So that was all I did. I picked up the different sizes. What's funny is the white sequins, the same exact style cut, they were not marked at 49 cents. So if they didn't have these stickers, I didn't bother picking them up, even though they're the same, you know. But this is 49 cents, 49 cents. So I got this one in the large and the small, the same colors for these two. This is like a metallic turquoise. So the large and the small, they didn't have the medium. They did have the large, medium, and small in the round cup 10mm light blue. So we got this one, and we got this one, which is the tiny one, and then this one, which is the medium. So I got one of each size, all 49 cents. And the pink, I got all 3 sizes also, and this is bubblegum. So I got the large, medium, and the small, all 49 cents. And then this one was actually 49 cents. They didn't have any black. I was looking for black, and I was looking for orange. They didn't have orange, but they had these purple. It's magenta, actually. So that is it for this one. I wanted to make sure you guys saw this bead. It looks like candy. So they're hearts with a transparent outside and then a white solid inside. So to me, that looks like a candy. So I picked up one of those, and that was $4.99. All right. I also went back to Hobby Lobby today. Let me see my time. I got 3 minutes. Okay. Because I had to go get my husband's something framed for my husband for work. So I went there, and as I was waiting, I found these in the Ribbon Boutique, and this is the vinyl holographic, and it wasn't on sale. I got it. It's $4.99 each, both of them, same color. So look at that, and you see through. This is the same ones that Louisa uses for her her bows and stuff, and this is a heavier gauge than the one that I just got from Veronica. She made the bows, these little bows she put on sale. I picked up a pack from her, but this is a heavier gauge. I don't know how heavy this one is. This says 100% polyvinyl, iridescent pink. Yeah, it doesn't say 24 by 8 inches. So I picked up 2. There were the only 2 there. I picked up 1 of this one, and this is the white, what is this? Rainbow glitter. I want bows, guys, or butterflies. One of the 2, or all. But I figured pick one of these up. It's fun, and it doesn't come off on your hands. So there's that. I found some self-adhesive bags. They do have the little hanger things on the bottom edge of them, which I don't care, because once you put a bag topper on there, it's going to be covered up, and then the bottom is the self-seal. So I got 2 packs of those for $4.99. That one was full price also. So a lot of these were full price. But now back to the jewelry. I got all these findings at half off because they were all marked today. 50% off of the jewelry for Metal Gallery and the jewelry shop. These 2 were on 50%. I picked up some bead caps. This is a longer looking bead cap. This one's the more round. I got some for the silver because the ones at Walmart, they didn't have any silver bead caps. So you can see there's 3 different kinds of silver finishes on here. This is really bright silver. This one's more like a old kind of vintagey looking, and then this one's just silver. I know, it's a little confusing, sorry. This I got to make charms. Now that I have some chain, now that I have, oh crap, I have the wrong chain, don't I? I have gold chain. I don't have silver. But there's 4 in here for $3.99, half off. So everything, I'll tell you the prices, but they're half off of it. So $3.99 again, and you have 4 in here again. It's a different size, and there's hearts. So these lobster claws have the little heart on here. This one just have that little filigree on there. I picked up some more jump rings. So this one, it's a little bigger, the silver one. I got that. Now here, this one is pretty much close to the same size. Yeah, same size. I got some of these stars. There's 25 pieces in here. They are beads. Like, I think they are. I guess. Why not? Let me just open this up. Here we go. 25 teeny tiny little beads. They better be beads, because then I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Yep, they're beads, and they go through the top. The little point right there goes right through. You guys see that? Probably not, but trust me. Just trust me, it's there. And same, they're the same. I got the hearts. These were this one's $2.99, and this one is $1.99, but there's still 25 pieces in there. I don't know why it's a different price. And then I grabbed this from Bead Design. Their little keys, and I thought that would be fun to hang off of the dangles. And then the last one from the jewelry shop is the nickel heart-shaped lobster clasp. This one only has 3 in there. So that is it for the jewelry. Paper Studio was also marked half off. So I did pick up a few Paper Studio items. I got this little glitter thickers. They're foam stickers actually. So I got that, 1 pack. So $4.99 half off. And then I got this mint, which is so super pretty. I think it would look really pretty with the Santa baby and all that stuff. And then I found this one, which is $1.99. And I think you get 2 sheets. There's 26 pieces. Yeah, there's only 2 sheets in here. 2 of the same. And then this one I got, it was $2.99. And look at this little girl with all her sassiness and her little cup and makeup. And oh, it's just so cute. But I only picked up one of those. Anyway, I picked up this little paper pad. It is $24.99, but this is Paper Studio, so I got it half off. And I'm sorry, my light just went out just now. Unreliable. This is the old light. So I picked it up because it's glittery. Look at that. And it doesn't come off. And it's not super chunky. So I can cut it with the silhouette. Cut it with the Cricut. And you get, I think, 2 of each color. Or 1. Is it 1 of each? 12 solid, 2 each. So you get 2 each of each color. So pretty. So I got that. And then I found this one. Not $24.99. This is half off also because it's the Paper Studio still. And this is the cardstock. You get 10 colors. But look at the glitter. It looks chunky again, but it's not. So I'm going to attempt. It's a little thicker than than the first pad I showed you. But this one, I just, you know, for making 3D stuff, this would look really pretty. Look at that. That blue is gorgeous. Look at this aqua. So you get 2 of each. That green. Ooh. Is it 2? 3 of each. I'm sorry. 3. So pretty. I'm ready for the holidays. I did pick up some cardstock. This one has 25 the shades of pink. Paper Studio. It was $5.99 half off. So do the math. 2 something. $2.45. There's just all these shades of pink, and there is 5 of each color. It's not so thick, but it'll do. It will do. It will do. And it's not a white core, so that's what I was looking for. This one's $4.99 half off. And this is 25 also. Same thing. 5 each. 5 of each color. Now, they didn't have any metallic paper pads, so I just went ahead and picked up 2 silver and 2 gold. And these were $1 something. Yeah, $1.99. But they're not Paper Studio, guys. So, and I believe these were 79 cents. So I picked up a few shades of gray. Like we were just making my dad's Father's Day card. So I picked up these shades of gray. The dark, the medium, and then the light gray. They did not have any kind of like those diamond embossed silver papers. So yeah, that's all. That's it, guys. I did some beautiful damage to Hobby Lobby. But it's everything that I really need right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.